Hello, everyone. Welcome back to ITI Nini channel.
Find the horsepower developed by a 433V 3-phase 50 Hz induction motor when it takes a current of 74.6 amps at 0.8 power factor. The efficiency of the motor is 80%. Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to calculate the horsepower developed by a 3-phase induction motor. But before we dive into the calculations, let's first understand the data we have. We have a motor with a voltage of 433 volts. This motor is using a current of 74.6 amps. The power factor, which tells us about the quality of power usage, is 0.8. The motor is 80% efficient. Let's dive into the formula we will be using to calculate the horsepower developed by our motor. To find the horsepower, we will use the formula horsepower equals the square root of 3 times the voltage times the current times the power factor times the efficiency, all divided by 746. Alright, let's solve this step by step and find out the horsepower developed by our motor. We need to find out the horsepower developed by a 3-phase induction motor with the given parameters. First, multiply 1.732, 433 volts, 74.6 amps, 0.8, and 0.80 together. This gives us 34,640.48. Now, divide that by 746. This gives us a horsepower of around 48.